In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an extra charge for cash on delivery orders in Shopify. Understanding how to implement a cash on delivery charge is essential for businesses that want to cover any extra processing or logistical costs associated with this payment method. So, let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that your online shop runs smoothly and efficiently. First, you need to access the Settings menu on your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom left corner of your screen. By clicking here, you'll open a range of settings that allow you to customize your store's operations to best suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings section, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and select the option marked Payments. This section controls how your customers will pay you, so it's vital to understand its features. After entering the Payments settings, you'll want to focus your attention on the area dedicated to manual payment methods. This part of Shopify allows you to handle non-standard payment types, which is ideal when looking to offer a cash-on-delivery option. Inside this section, you'll notice an option to add a method. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you to a list of available manual payment methods. Now, from the list, select Cash on Delivery. This choice is essential, as it directly relates to the payment method we're focusing on today. Once you've selected Cash on Delivery, it's time to input the payment instructions. Here, clarity is key. Make sure to outline exactly what the customer needs to do upon delivery and provide any pertinent details that will make the process smoother for both parties. Importantly, this is where you should explicitly mention that an additional charge will apply to any cash on delivery orders. Being transparent about these extra costs up front can help avoid misunderstandings or dissatisfaction. Once you've successfully inputted all the necessary details, you can finalize this setup process by clicking on Activate. This action will implement the cash on delivery method into your store's checkout process, complete with the additional charge you've specified. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you will have added an extra charge for cash on delivery orders in your Shopify store. Not only does this help cover any added expenses, but it also gives your customers a clear and concise understanding of what to expect when they choose this payment method. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your Shopify store.